Every tile on this board is stuck facing the wrong way, and one of them is begging to be turned. In infinity loop, you can only spin a tile in place, never swap its shape. Each pipe has fixed openings, and when a tile points the wrong way, its end just dangles into nothing. Turn it, and the moment its opening lines up with the neighbor's, the two pipes lock together. Solve the whole board, and every single opening meets another one, with nothing left pointing into a wall. Start at the top left corner. Turn its elbow so the pipe opens to the right and down, right where the board begins. The tile beside it is a straight pipe. Rotate it flat so it continues that line straight across the top. The top right corner turns to catch that line and bend it down the right side. On the left edge, a straight piece turns upright, carrying the loop down toward the bottom. Its twin on the right edge turns the same way, running the loop down its own side. The bottom left corner rotates to meet the pipe above it and send the loop back across. The bottom middle straight piece lines up flat, closing the gap along the bottom. One last corner in the bottom, right turns to link both ends together. Every opening now meets a neighbor, nothing points off the board, and the loop closes clean. Infinity loop trains you to picture how a shape looks after it turns, before you ever tap it. It builds spatial reasoning, tracking which way every opening faces as the whole board shifts around it. And it rewards patient, systematic thinking, working edge by edge until every single connection closes. Head over to PlayMemorize and give Infinity Loop a spin. Scan the code on screen or search Infinity Loop at PlayMemorize.com. Every board is a fresh scramble, so there is always another loop to close. Come find NumPy and start turning tiles.